Hey there, Python enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 Python tips that will make your coding life so much easier. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. First up, list comprehensions. These are a super concise way to create lists. Instead of writing a loop, you can do it all in one line. It's like magic. For example, you can create a list of squares from 0 to 9 with this code. X squared for x in range 10. Easy peasy, right? Next, let's talk about the enumerate function. This handy function lets you loop over a list and get both the index and the value. No more using range and len. Just use for index, value in enumerate my list. Boom! Instant productivity boost. Ever heard of dictionary comprehensions? They're just like list comprehensions, but for dictionaries. You can create a dictionary in one line. For example, x squared for x in range 5 gives you a dictionary with keys and their squares. How cool is that? Formatting strings can be a pain, but not with f strings. Just put an f before your string and use curly braces to include variables. Like this, name equals Python, printf hello, name. It's so much cleaner and easier to read. Finally, let's end with some wisdom. Have you ever typed import this in your Python shell? It prints the Zen of Python, a collection of guiding principles for writing computer programs. My favorite, simple is better than complex. Keep it simple, folks. And there you have it, folks, 5 awesome Python tips to level up your coding game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and informative content. Until next time, happy coding!